everybody. It's Big Paul. Big Paul's trucking back at you. Hey, now's a good time to like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel. We got to get to the giveaways once we grow the channel. So you guys can help me out. I'm just sitting here watching a little Big Paul's trucking on YouTube. I got it muted. We don't want to have any problems. But I want to show you guys what we're up to. Check this out. Well, we got a customer truck in the shop here. We're going to actually do a little bit of work on it. This truck, during the asphalt season last year, the lift axle broke and broke in half, and they had to completely take it off the truck. It's a good old truck, but they're going to go all out. We bought a brand new lift axle, and actually we bought the same lift axle. And you can see under here, it's not really very big deal, complicated, but this got the air tank mounted. Down here, I'm going to have to remount that air tank on the new lift axle. No big deal. But I'm going to show you guys the process I go through in removing the old one and installing the new one. And we got to replumb, not replumb, we're going to reuse a bunch of these air lines because there's no point in, so here, let me show you the new axle. Take a little quick walk. Now they give you all this nice, this row truck equipment. I'll tell you, they got some nice stuff here. Bought my other lift axle, I was so impressed. They give you everything you need. There's your down bags, there's your air valves, there's your instructions. This is your in-cab controls. It's all brand new. They give you your brackets. Bracket on both sides for the top of your down bags. And here, let's take a look at this lift axle. This is a nice lift axle. It's row truck equipment. This is where I buy them. I guess that's who makes them. There's the model. It's real nice steerable lift axle. Look at that thing. Comes with the drums, comes with the lug nuts. There's even oil in the hubs. It is put it on, put it straight to work. Now this truck won't work till next asphalt season. That's why they give it to me, because I'm not real fast. It'd take me 2-3 days to put this axle on. I kind of take them apart and put the carriage on first, this part, and that part, mount that to the frame, and then I mount everything to that. It's no big deal. So I want to show you guys what we're doing. Cruise liner now, as you can see, is sitting outside. It's getting ready. After we get done with this lift axle, the cruise liner's coming inside, and we're going to tear that frame apart and get ready for the new frame. It's coming January 15th, so I can't wait. But this is going to sit out. I got my other trucks inside, got my yellow truck inside the Edition here. I know I don't have the door open, but the V8's in there, the yellow truck's in there, and we're going to get with you. I'm going to start disassembling that lift axle. got that. You guys gotta check this out. Check out that rust jacking. Those top bolts, they were so tight. Look at that rust jacking. It had this thing pushed wide open. It was so tight, like, you know, whatever. If it was originally 600, 500 foot-pounds, it was probably 1,000 because it was so rust jacked. But we got it. No problem. I gotta get the other side off and get this thing put down. Hey everyone, welcome back. Well, we got that thing jacked up where we needed it, and we're going to put some holes in it. I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. I already got a couple bolts in because I had to get the cherry picker and everything out of the way. But you can see I had the center punch. It's really hard to show you guys this. I'm going to figure out how I can do that. Let me see if I can do it this way. I don't know if you guys can see right there. I had the center punch and drill pilot holes in all those previous holes that the frame had. So now on this side, as you can see, I'm drilling pilots, and let me show you my process. I drill a small hole, then I drill 5/16 right there, and then I ream it to 1/2 inch, and then I got this big mammoth jammer right here. I ream it to 5/8. See right there, you got to run those in oil, but it gets the job done. So I'm going to set you guys up, let you guys watch me do a couple, and you'll see. Hang tight. Alright everyone, it's Big Paul, back at you. Well, here we are. I got it all mounted up. Got all the bolts in. Check it out, 12 bolts. Put 6 on this side. You can see 6 on that side. So that's the frame mount. It is mounted. So I'm done for the day. Tomorrow I'm going to get the arms that connect, where is it? Right here. It comes back to the axle, and then we're going to, measure for our down bag. We got some mounts we got to mount right there. I'll get them and show you here in a minute. Tomorrow, so we got like 4 more holes to drill on the frame. And then we'll be putting the axle underneath it and plumbing it, getting it done. Alright you guys, this is where we're at. If you look at the instructions, I'll check that out. 24.1 inches we got to put this next part on. I'll give you your 1 inch right here, but if you take the tape measure, do a little measuring from here, of course there's our 24.1 whatever inches. You can see it. We see these Hux bolts. Well, they're in the way. You can see over here when they installed the bed positioning whatever, they used regular bolts. Well, that's because they had to burn off the factory Hux bolts, which you got to remove with a torch, and they're just factory put in where the cross members are. But so that's going to be our next step. We got to burn them off. This plate, and I'll hold it up so you guys can see. This plate's got to go right there. And that's the upper plate for the down bag. But those are in the way. So that's what we're going to do next, is burn them off. All right, you guys, check this out. We're just jacking that axle up. Chained it up. I get some bolts in it. Put the airbags, hook up all the air lines, and get it ready to get out of here. That's how I do it. There's a lot of ways to do it, but I use that cherry picker. Lift it up, put it on a couple of blocks, start hooking it up. Everybody, it's Big Paul. Well, listen, I wanted to get back with you. I finished putting the lift axle on, but we have a problem. All the video got lost of me. The last video I shot of it, you know, all done and leaving. So that footage got lost, and ain't much I can do about it. The new camera, I shot it in the wrong speed, something like that, but it won't upload onto my computer. So we're kind of going this route. Appreciate you guys watching, and the next video we're going to be putting out is going to be on this cab over. We're doing a bunch of work to that. So appreciate you guys watching. Hang tight. Big Paul's out.